March 8th is International Women's Day, but the entire month of March is International Women's History Month. And the lady that I'm about to shout out right now, we have history. That is my sister friend, Renia Rolle, superstar mom. And as I shout out this entire month, as I shout out my sisters, my sister friend, my niece's friend, my colleague friends, my friends, she stands high on this list because Renia is my sister, my blood sister, and my friend. But I'm so proud of her because I see her as a superstar mom. I always tell people this. I know very few single mothers who she started early, she hung in there, but she's raised incredible kids. Sometimes I want to claim them as my kids. So proud of her, so proud of the legacy she's leaving with her amazing kids. They all need Jesus though, but other than that, pray for them. Renia, shout out to you because you are an incredible woman. Love our history, love that our history will continue in love. Thank you for being like our mother, for being a mom to the entire family. And let me tell you a secret. This woman is a giver more than anybody knows. I mean, she gives. So if you need anything, give her a call. Just kidding. Leave my sister alone. But my sister is incredible. I love her. And I want the world to know that Renia Rolle is an incredible rock star of a woman.